Welcome to Like Health. In today's video, we're diving into 8 foods you should avoid if you suffer from high uric acid. If you're looking to manage your uric acid levels and prevent painful gout flare-ups, stay tuned to learn which foods could be making things worse. Number 1. Red meat. While it's a popular protein choice, red meat is high in purines, which are compounds that your body breaks down into uric acid. Consuming too much can lead to an increase in uric acid levels, triggering gout flare-ups and joint pain. If you suffer from high uric acid, it's best to limit or avoid red meats like beef, lamb, and pork. Instead, opt for leaner proteins like chicken or plant-based alternatives to protect your joints and overall health. Number 2. Shellfish and seafood. While they may be considered healthy, certain seafood like shrimp, lobster, scallops, and sardines are loaded with purines. When you eat these, your body produces more uric acid, which can build up in the joints and lead to painful gout attacks. If you love seafood, try sticking to lower purine options like salmon, or limit your intake to reduce the risk of flare-ups. Number 3. Sugary beverages, including sodas and sweetened juices. These drinks are packed with fructose, a type of sugar that increases uric acid production in the body. Consuming too much can lead to a spike in uric acid levels, heightening your risk of gout. Instead of reaching for sugary drinks, opt for water, herbal teas, or sparkling water with a splash of lemon to stay hydrated and reduce uric acid naturally. Number 4. Alcohol, especially beer. Beer is rich in purines and can cause a significant rise in uric acid levels, which increases the risk of gout attacks. Even other types of alcohol, like wine and spirits, can worsen the condition if consumed in excess. Alcohol also dehydrates the body, making it harder for the kidneys to flush out uric acid. Reducing or avoiding alcohol can go a long way in keeping your uric acid levels in check and protecting your joints. Number 5. Organ meats, like liver, kidneys, and heart. While they might be nutrient-dense, they're also extremely high in purines. When consumed, these purines break down into uric acid, which can easily elevate your levels and trigger painful gout episodes. For people with high uric acid, it's best to avoid organ meats altogether. Instead, choose lean proteins that are lower in purines, like chicken or tofu. Number 6. Processed foods. These include packaged snacks, frozen meals, and fast food, which often contain high amounts of added sugars, unhealthy fats, and preservatives. Processed foods can contribute to weight gain, which in turn puts more stress on your body and raises uric acid levels. Additionally, they can increase inflammation, worsening gout symptoms. Try to focus on whole, natural foods to keep your uric acid in check and support overall health. Number 7. High-fat dairy products, such as whole milk, cream, and full-fat cheese. These foods can be problematic because they often contain saturated fats, which can lead to increased inflammation in the body. Additionally, while low-fat dairy options may help lower uric acid levels, high-fat versions can do the opposite. If you enjoy dairy, opt for low-fat or non-fat options, which provide calcium and protein without raising your uric acid levels. Number 8. Certain vegetables, like asparagus and spinach and mushrooms. While vegetables are generally healthy, these specific ones are higher in purines. For individuals managing high uric acid levels, it's wise to consume these in moderation. However, don't avoid vegetables altogether, as most are beneficial for overall health. Instead, focus on lower purine options like carrots, bell peppers, and leafy greens to maintain a balanced diet while keeping uric acid levels in check. We welcome all new subscribers to the channel.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the Like channel to receive all new updates.